Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how-to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
I have no idea why it's doing that. As you just seen, the engine jumping around and leaping, if you will, and it's got a check engine light. So from what I could tell in research I've done, it's either bad EGR valve or it's the port that's clogged up. So here's what I did. Little plastic piece here. Cool. There's a whole bunch of little plastic shit on the top of this. When you're looking at the engine, you'll see it. It's all the little plastic stuff. You just start popping everything up. And then this little here, these are 10 millimeters. And then you got 2, 4, 6 bolts. And then you got one nut there and 2 nuts there. And as you can see, as I pulled them out, is how I laid them to make sure they went back the way they are. So make sure you disconnect the hose from this right here before you lift the intake up. It's also connected to the front of the intake right here. Lift up. Takes 2 hands to pull this damn thing. Oh, it's hot. To lift up this intake. There's probably another word for it. I don't know what the hell it is. Plymouth, something like that. I don't know. Okay, I got that. You're also going to want to, that little hose for that down there, you want to disconnect that too. Trust me. They said you need to pull the spark plug wires. Obviously not. Alright. Next thing you're going to want to do, get you an old shirt or a towel or something and cover up your intake because you're going to be cleaning that EGR valve, EGR port out. Alright, now, next thing, I've already done it, but I'm doing a video about it. That's your EGR port there. That little bitty spot there is going to be caked full of shit. Rather than buy an EGR valve, you're going to want to clean that out. You clean that out, you should be okay. Then if it's still doing it, then you know it's a bad EGR valve. But since I'm already doing something to the engine, I just did that first. And we'll see how it goes.